What if the solution to making electric cars affordable isn't adding more technology, but stripping everything down to what actually matters? Dacia just answered that question with the Hipster Concept, and honestly, it's a fascinating middle finger to the entire industry's bigger, heavier, pricier obsession. Let's talk numbers first. 3 meters long. That's shorter than a Fiat 500, yet somehow Dacia managed to cram 4 actual adult seats and a boot that expands from 70 to 500 liters inside this tiny box. How? By designing from the inside out, with 0 overhangs and wheels pushed to the absolute corners. It's clever packaging taken to the extreme. But here's where it gets interesting. Dacia claims the Hipster Concept is 20% lighter than the Spring, which is already a lightweight in EV terms. Less mass means less battery needed, which means lower costs and a carbon footprint, they say, is half that of comparable 4-seaters over the vehicle's entire life cycle. In theory, brilliant. In practice, we'll need to see real-world numbers before calling this a revolution. The design philosophy is brutally simple. Dacia's head of design says it should be drawable in 3 pencil strokes. And he's not wrong. It's a block on 4 wheels with a horizontal front end and sleek headlights that somehow look friendly despite the car's utilitarian vibe. No fancy curves, no unnecessary creases, just function. Now for the quirky bits. The exterior door handles are replaced by straps. Yes, fabric straps. Dacia says they're lighter, cheaper, and just as practical. I say they're polarizing. Either you appreciate the honesty or you think it looks cheap. There's no middle ground here. The rear lights are mounted behind the tailgate glass to save the cost and weight of separate lenses. Smart cost engineering or cutting corners. Depends on your perspective. Only 3 body panels are actually painted. The rest uses Starkle, a recycled material Dacia developed, plus unpainted plastic skis, front and rear. It's rugged, sure, but it won't win beauty contests. Inside, the cabin maximizes every millimeter. Vertical windows and windscreen create surprising headroom. The glazed roof section adds airiness. Side windows slide instead of rolling down to save weight and complexity. The front seats merge into a bench, a charming throwback to people's cars of the past. Rear seat access requires tilting the front passenger seat forward, which is fine for occasional use, but could get old fast for families. Here's where Dacia's YouClip system shines. The Hipster Concept comes bare bones as standard, with 11 anchor points scattered throughout for modular accessories. Cup holders, armrests, ceiling lights, you add what you need. It's customizable minimalism, and I genuinely think it's brilliant for keeping base prices low while letting buyers personalize later. Connectivity takes the bring-your-own-device approach to its logical conclusion. Your smartphone is the door key, the infotainment screen, the navigation system, and even the audio source via a portable Bluetooth speaker that clips into the YouClip system. No built-in screens, no expensive integrated systems. For tech-savvy buyers who upgrade phones every few years anyway, this makes sense. For others, it might feel like Dacia is asking you to finish the car yourself. Range is designed around real-world needs, targeting 2 charges per week for daily driving. Dacia points out that 94% of French drivers cover less than 40 kilometers daily. Fair point. But what about road trips, holiday weekends, unexpected detours? This is purely a city and suburban runabout, and Dacia doesn't pretend otherwise. The elephant in the room is whether this will actually be affordable enough to matter. New car prices in Europe jumped 77% between 2010 and 2024, wildly outpacing wages. Dacia says the Hipster targets people priced out of the current market. But concepts always promise affordability that production models struggle to deliver. Until we see an actual price tag, this is aspirational. So what's the verdict on Dacia's radical rethink? It's genuinely refreshing to see a manufacturer challenge the industry's obsession with bigger and more. The Hipster Concept asks uncomfortable questions about what we actually need versus what we're told to want. Some solutions are clever, some feel like compromises, and a few are downright odd. But that's exactly what concepts should do: provoke, challenge, make us think differently. Would I bet on this exact design reaching production? Probably not without modifications. Would I love to see Dacia prove that truly affordable EVs don't have to be joyless pedalty boxes? Absolutely. Drop a comment below. Would fabric door straps be a deal breaker for you, or is this the kind of honest engineering the EV market desperately needs? And if Dacia actually builds this thing, what's your maximum price point before it stops being the people's car? Let's discuss.